Okay. Okay.
Careful ha. Oh. Careful, it's very, very dangerous. And it down. You hold it like this. Yes, very good.
That's fine.
Yes. Mm. You want to help Cheche. That's why? Okay. I allowed her to help me.
Because I'm secure now.
Yes, you are big girl now. That's why you want to help me.
And
In the down.
oh. I forgot.
Mm.
What? Turkey.
Is it finished? The chopstick?
Yes, I agree. The one time you forget
Here.
one.
Mm.
One. Okay, what's this?
That is for holding the hot plates. This one you get here because that is oily. Here, here, and the inside.
Yes,
Here. Okay. Wait. Very careful, ha. You put it down only here. Mm. Side by side. Here, oh. You see, have a dirty.
Okay.
Oh, careful, careful. In the back. Okay. Oh, this way for me. Here.
You remember for that turtle also.
I use it for the turtle.
That's why.
Oh,
I want to wash that.
mm. You hold it. So it's not moving. Okay, good girl.
Okay. Done?
Really good. Wait. Um,
What? They're big.
so if you cannot use the other one, you can use it the other one. This one,
Alright.
you use your hands. It have a little here. Oh, use the green one. Yes, you push, 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 push. No more?
No more now.
Push, push dito,
I
push, push doon. Okay, and the other side, because sometimes have oil.
Yes.
Okay, and then you can put it here, wait. You need to place it, and then you will put the, oh, okay na, because you will you swimming. Are you swimming? You shower later. You swimming later. Okay, okay, we'll finish. And then wash your hands. This one need. Ah, no.
Huh? Let me wash.
Put the water first. Put the football.
Washy, washy.
Washy, washy.
Washy, washy, washy.
Oh, wait, it's not finished. In the other side.